Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to find day, month and year from a date. Now suppose if you want to find the day, month and year of these dates, then what you have to do is you have to first select all these dates like this. Now you have to copy these dates in these cells. So you have to just drag this selection from the bottom right corner, from here, like this. So it will copy all these dates in the right hand side. Now to find the day, you have to select column C. So you have to click on column C. So you can see that the column C is now selected. Now press Ctrl 1 on the keyboard. Now in this box, just click on the custom. Now just change this type. So just delete this journal and type 4 times D like this. Now click on OK button. So you can see that it is showing the day. Now you have to do the same thing for the month and the year column. So select the month column, press Ctrl 1 on the keyboard, click on custom, and now delete this journal and now type 4 times M like this. Now click on the OK button. So you can see that it is showing the month. Now you have to do the same thing for the year column. So select the column, press Ctrl 1 on the keyboard, click on custom, and now delete this journal and type 4 times Y like this, and now click on the OK button. So you can see that it is showing the year also. So this is how you can find the day, month and year from a date. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.